Oh dear, come on. Oh. No. Oh my. No. Phone. No. Floating. Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome back to a very crowded Rufford Ford. Let's see what happens in the second part of my second time up at this infamous body of water that crosses a road. Range Rover's making a splash. The yellow van's going to give it a go afterwards. Oh my god, forgot about that. It's more of a relay, not much of a sprint. Very good, very good. There's a clown driving a Jeep through. A clown's good at fording through a Ford? Apparently so. Well, the more you know, we now know clowns are good at driving through water. He's shouting out the window at people. There he is. There he goes. Oh dear. There goes his first victim. Mercedes with 3 people on board. Oh yes, they've decided otherwise. See, their brakes are steaming from their track day. Yeah, maybe a good decision. We should let the Jeep know that a Jeep's already gone through, so Jeeps can go through the Ford. We need to see a Ford go through the Ford. Going in like a renegade. The Jeeps are fine at it. Oh. Yeah, she's just keeping the revs high, it's fine. I want to see a Rufford Ford through Rufford Ford. Or an affordable Rufford Ford through Rufford Ford. Yes. Oh, they're trying to encourage the guy in the Fiesta. He's having none of it. His girlfriend's like, we don't want to do it. No. Oh, you went forward. Yeah, they notice there's 2 AA vans up the road. They're not going to do it. We haven't had a lot of splashes yet. Oh, here we go. Well done, sir. Smile. He loved that. He won't love it when his engine dies. Please send this through the Ford. Go on. Come on. Ah. Is it disco time? Ah, it's not disco time. Go on, Gav, do it.
He's lifted suspension.
Go on, Gavin. Yeah. Yes. Well done, Gavin. Discoing through the Ford. Sensible, Gavin. He's lifted his suspension. Is he going to floor it out the back?
Quite close.
Yeah. Go on, Gavin. Oh, look at the electrical transit. Wouldn't want to go through. Oh, as to say it, a taker has gone for it. Oh, it's the Hulk. Can the Hulk go through? Is the Hulk going to smash it, or is the Hulk going to fail through the Ford? Is this a rough Ford fording through Rufford Ford? It's the Hulk. He's doing it. You can see the bubbles from the exhaust at the back of the Hulk. There we go. Hulk's done it. He smashed it. Yes. He's also splashed it. Oh, is he getting that? No, they're like cats. They don't like water. Apparently someone's brought an E30 down behind the Starlet. Starlet's not having it. E30, there he is. Hello. I wouldn't put high odds on the BMW attempting it. Oh, no, yes, no, no. Goodbye. Double declutching like an Akuntash. It's looking to be disco time again. Splashing. Right, he's got the snorkel, he's got the hooligan sticker, and a TD5 that's surviving. Just. And an Iveco. They've been doing well today. This one's. We haven't had a lot of vans, or any vans, I don't think. He's succeeding currently. It's a risky business, this. Revs are high, he's climbed out. Seems fine, no white smoke. Cameras are everywhere, ready to die. Oh. You can't kill a disco. No, you can't. It's fine. Struggling. Is that on purpose, or is he... No, I think that's on purpose. But here's the more sensible wading. They're waiting currently. Ah, no, now they're waiting. No, they're still waiting. Are they waiting or wading? They're wading!
Telling them to go in.
Yeah, they're saying you can do it. They've already been through once. Oh, they're waving now. They're waving, wading and waiting. Well, they're not waiting anymore, they're just waving whilst waving. Well done.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, more waving after the wading. Do you get wet here? Is it a bit of a splash there? Yeah? Okay. Oh, don't go that fast. No. Oh, he's going to get splashed by the disco that's coming. Oh dear. Yeah, you wait there.
Someone's down. Keep the windows down.
Oh, wait for the blubbers. Oh, there we go.
I'm waiting for time to snap his axle.
Oh, it's taking easy, it's fine. Absolutely fine. Second gear. Or low range or something. It's like short gear ratios. There's a Focus RS. No, people want him to. Oh, no. The dogs encouraged them to go through. Look, we told them to go slowly. They were asking if it's possible. We said go slow. Oh, no. No. We were telling them just go slowly and you'll be fine. And they didn't. I blame the dog. The dog encouraged him to do it, so it's the dog's fault. The passenger is absolutely mortified. You can use the wheel as a depth gauge now. You'd have thought he'd be used to the water being a pirate. Oh, he's gone in. Stay. Good boy. The Land Cruiser's turned into a water... Oh, no. What have we hooked it to? Oh, the engine. So we're going to do an engine delete in the Kia, an engine that might be fine because he hasn't started this thing. This is the most gentle tow out of the Ford because it's attached to the Kia's engine. This is a proper test of Kia's engine mounts and how strong they are, keeping that engine in place as it gets towed out. We're putting the car slightly uphill as well with 3 people on board on the phone to their nans. We couldn't find any towing eyes in the boot, so that's why we've had to put it onto the engine. Oh look, we've got a towing eye. Yes. Oh my God! From out of nowhere, another discovery. Oh look, water. Oh, I can taste diesel. Oh, come on. It's two-tone like a yacht, it'll be fine. Now, we don't like him when he's angry, but what about when he's wet? Ah, Hulk's a sensible boy. Avengers are obviously in no need of assembling anytime soon because that's slow and steady from the Hulk. Am I in the splash zone? I'm sure we'll find out. Let's see. Oh dear. Done. Oh, it stinks. This is going to be a bit different in the early Defender. Oh no, here we go. Almost went in the snorkel, it got so high. Got to be careful. Oh my God. Oh, I missed that. I got splashed. It came out of nowhere. That took us all by surprise. I don't think anyone filmed that because it was just like, oh, it's there, and then it was there, and it was everywhere. Like the number plate's about to come off. Will it fall off? No, it's more. And the plate stayed on.
Well, is it tied on?
Oh, yeah. Oh, we had a DS3 earlier that achieved a good wading. Oh, look. Surely the Qashqai can come through now. You've seen the Citroen do it. Just. Hey, that was enough convincing. Qashqai's going for it. Let's hope it doesn't become a Crashqai. Wife looks embarrassed in the passenger seat. Kids loving it in the back. Yes. Oh, hopefully the AA doesn't break down. He'll have to call the RAC out. The Ranger's doing it well. Oh, look, the dog in the passenger seat's loving it. Yes. Yep, nailed it. No, he's come to respond to the Kia. This guy accelerated initially and then put the brakes on and didn't provide what we thought. The Polo's like, nah, I'm not doing that. He's sensible is what he is. He's got a V8, that's why. Oh, what is this? A Kia something or other. It sounds like a... That is a blowing exhaust if I've ever heard one. Has it actually got side X?
Side X exhaust.
Wait, really? Oh my God! It has! It has a proper side pipe. She doesn't know, but she's a scene girl. Wow. Her husband just probably did that one day. It's like, John, the car's louder than it was yesterday. Don't worry about it, it's fine. They've bought their McDonald's and they're heading through the Ford. She's got her apple pie. Careful you don't burn your mouth, although you could rinse it off in the Ford. With its kind of cocktail of diesel, oil and petrol in there. There's a Ranger cars coming up this time. But do the vents vent? They don't! They don't vent! But it's probably good because otherwise water would get in. Oh, Oh look, the wife's telling him to go into the venue. He's like, no, I want to go through with his squeaky brakes. No, look. She's like, no, don't do it. Don't do it. Damn it, Daniel, don't do it. Look, he wants to. She's like, no. Slowly. Go slowly. Look, she's filming now. Keep it slow. Don't accelerate. Look, listen to it. Blob, 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 blob. Blob, 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 blob. No, if he keeps at that speed. Yes. There you go. Nothing. Now he's going to have to come back. But he sent it. Hulk splash. No, Hulk. No, brakes on and turning the wheel for some reason. And he's going that way. It might get deeper. It's got deeper! Yeah, he's backed out of that one. He found the actual river there. That was off-roading by the Hulk. Yes. Our escort's good at fording. He is white-wheeling the world, yes! Oh, that's a bit... Oh. It's a GTI. Oh, look, dogs. Look. He's confused. Oh, he's opened the door.
No,
it's all. Oh. Fair enough. Are you gonna steer or what? Good thing is he hasn't tried to start it again, because that's when you start doing proper damage. Because it's stalled. Leave it like that. Let it take the air filter out. Dry it out. Could be fine.
He's quite strong to be fair.
There we go. Got the OG YouTuber. Oh, it's gone in the wellies now. Oh, it's in the wellies. Oh, your phone. Oh my gosh. Hope it's a waterproof one.
Oh no.
He's lost his phone.
Oh no.
Oh man. Oh no, now there's a Ranger coming as well.
Yes! Oh my god.
Now there's
It's a waterproof one as well. Give him a little love tap. He's asking if he wants him to push with his car. He's going to push it with the Ranger. Is he? Is he just going to give it a little nudge?
They're ruining that.
Crash. Right. I've never seen this before. A car being pushed by a Ranger using bumpers for their correct purposes. They are bumping the bumpers like a bumper should be bumped. We've got what I was waiting for though. That was a Rufford Ford fording through Rufford Ford. An affordable Rufford fording through Rufford Ford. Oh my god! The Rangers are coming out in force now. That was a Raptor. They see the cameras, they change their mind. Oh, he's playing with our emotions. Look. He's just posing for pictures. Yeah, he's airing out. He's posing. This is the first bike I've seen in person attempt it, and he's going for it. Oh my! Wow, that's how you do it on a bike, folks. Wow, well done. Pablo's about to try. Pablo's coming. Here he comes. Right, Pablo's giving it a go. Wait, the revs are from the Escort, I think. The Escort's got started. Here comes Pablo. Congratulations. Oh. Yep, he went into first then. Well done, Pablo. Oh, Scolietti's coming in a quick. No, it's going to die. No. Oh, dear. It's almost dead. That. Yeah. That was almost like... Oh, yeah, we knew that was going to happen.
And like a dump.
Yeah. Oh. The Escort's...
Ooh, that did not sound good. Who's that knocking at the door?
That is a rough Ford now, after fording through Rufford Ford. Thumbs up! Sounds a dream. Was that with just 3 spark plugs?
I don't know, but that was so loud.
Oh look, they've put the 4th spark plug in now, and it runs a dream.
I've got a blow in the back.
There's a slight exhaust blow there, you can see. Is this the best place to stand here? Yeah. So over there, they're going to get a bit of a misty view. Everyone's watching what's going on whilst the guy in the Skoda's trying to push his car out on his own, with no one helping, because everyone's watching this. And it ticks over.
Thank you!
Well done. I would clap, but I've only got one hand. The Rufford survives Rufford Ford. So there's eerie scenes right now. We're telling this Seat to go in nice and slowly, which is quite topical and maybe too soon to be said around the guy in the Skoda. He tried to start it, sounded like a snapped rod, and now we're trying to find a tow hook. He's looking to see how deep it's going. It's all good. Keep it slow. In the meantime, the Escort's revving the nutsock itself. Sounds healthy, I think. Hopefully the Landy doesn't reverse into the Escort, but we're rescuing the Fab here. And the hero of the hour, the little Mark 6 Escort, is heading home. Oh, GTI, sorry. The Rufford that forwarded through Rufford Ford. No, that's not gonna. No, that's not. She's floating. It's the float. Oh my God. She can't quite believe it, and it's died. Yeah. Dead.
Don't try starting it.
Oh no, water's gone in. Ben to the rescue. Oh no, you need someone in on the brakes really. Sounds like we've got a Land Rover to the rescue because we're not going to be able to push it up as much as we've tried. Well, they've tried. We've definitely not tried. I wonder how many cars this Landy has towed out in its past. Try it out, it'll be fine in the morning. Oh, bike's back. He's an expert in his field. He knows what he's doing. KTM adventure, and that sure was an adventure. But that was pretty much that from my time here once again at Rufford Ford. So make sure you hit that bell when you subscribe to be notified for my next video, which will be one not to be missed. So I hope you enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram for the updates and highlights and pictures I take, as always, at these meets and Fords that I go to. But for now, thanks for watching.